guys, it's Miss Morgan Kempton from GCF. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing really good. I've got a really cool story for you today. It's about Jesus when he was on earth as a man. So, he was at his friend Mary and Martha's house one day. And Jesus had a lot of his disciples and some other friends with him. There was a good amount of people in the house. And Mary, his friend, was sitting at his feet listening to his teaching. You know, like how you guys sit in front of me when I'm giving a lesson in the preschool room when we were still going to church? That's basically what she was doing. And then her sister Martha, who was also a friend of Jesus, she was in the kitchen. She had a lot of food to prepare for all the people who showed up. She probably had to cut up some fruits and vegetables. She had to cut up some meat probably and get that cooking. And she probably had some cleaning to do. She was doing a lot of service-oriented stuff, which is really good. But she was starting to get mad that Mary wasn't helping her. When Mary was doing what she should have been doing, she was listening to Jesus, and she was very excited to do so. And here is a picture. So here's Martha right here. She's making something, and she doesn't look too happy because she's looking at Mary and wondering why she's not helping. But this is Jesus' viewpoint. He has all these people listening to what he's saying, and they're happy to be listening. They want to hear what he's saying. And then eventually Martha, she gets so frustrated that she just goes out to the gathering and she tells Jesus, "Tell my sister to come help me in the kitchen. I can't handle this anymore." But then Jesus calmly says to Martha, "Martha, your worries are too many. You're distracted by things that aren't going to matter after tomorrow. Mary has the good portion. She's doing what she should be doing. She's listening to me." And yeah. He wasn't mad at Martha. He understood where she was coming from. But Martha still sinned by being frustrated and being angry at her sister, and she shouldn't have. But this does end on a good note because I'm sure Martha learned a lesson that day, and she was someone who saw Jesus resurrected later on. So there was a good ending to this. So here is the take-home story. Take-home lesson, my bad. And here's just another picture of Martha looking frustrated at her sister. I'm sure you guys can understand that one. Your siblings probably frustrate you every now and then, I'm sure. And then here's the scripture for the story, which is Luke 10:38 through 42, the lesson name, and then the memory verse, always one of my favorite parts. So today's memory verse is, "Love your neighbor as yourself," Matthew 22:39. Now repeat after me. Love your neighbor as yourself, Matthew 22:39. So what that means is anyone you encounter, whether it's someone in your family that you already know and love, a new friend at daycare or preschool, someone in the grocery store you walk by, that's your neighbor. And you're to love that person as you would love yourself. You want yourself taken care of. You want yourself to be happy. That's what you should want for other people. So that's what that verse means. And then there is also the Catechism review. It's questions 1 through 9. I'll do question 10 here, which is, where is God? Do you guys see him? Well, guess what? God is everywhere. He is everywhere on earth and in heaven and in the universe. There is not one place where he cannot reach us. So the simple way is the question, where is God? The answer, everywhere. And everywhere you can think of. So, I hope you guys learned a lot today. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye!